In the heart of the 20th century, the year was 1953, and the world stood on the precipice of a scientific revolution. Two brilliant scientists, James Watson and Francis Crick, were about to unveil the structure of the molecule that had eluded humanity for decades, the DNA. In the quiet halls of Cambridge University, Watson and Crick, armed with the data from Rosalind Franklin and Maurice Wilkins, embarked on a quest to decipher the genetic code. Their relentless pursuit led them to a breakthrough, the discovery of the double helix structure of DNA. Their revelation was a monumental leap in understanding the fundamental building block of life. However, the implications of their discovery were yet to be fully grasped. The door to manipulating life at its most fundamental level had been opened, but the key to unlocking it was still hidden. Meanwhile, in California, a young biochemist named Matthew Meselson, inspired by the work of Watson and Crick, was about to take the first steps into this uncharted territory. He devised an experiment that would demonstrate the replication of DNA, a crucial step towards genetic engineering. In his laboratory at the California Institute of Technology, Meselson set up a simple yet groundbreaking experiment. He mixed Escherichia coli bacteria with heavy isotope-labeled nitrogen and grew them for several generations. Then, he centrifuged the bacteria, separating the DNA from the rest of the cell. The results were clear and undeniable. The DNA had replicated, and each new strand contained a mix of heavy and light nitrogen, proving that DNA replication was semi-conservative. This experiment was a turning point, laying the foundation for the future of genetic engineering. The era of genetic engineering had begun. The first experiments opened the door to a world of possibilities, where life could be manipulated at the molecular level. The consequences of this newfound power were yet to be fully realized, but one thing was certain: the future of biology had forever been altered. As the decades passed, the field of genetic engineering progressed at an astonishing rate. The once imagined ability to manipulate the genetic code became a reality, leading to advancements in medicine, agriculture, and technology that reshaped the world. The story of the first experiments in genetic engineering serves as a reminder of the transformative power of scientific discovery. It illustrates the interplay between ambition, curiosity, and the relentless pursuit of knowledge that drives human progress. As we continue to delve into the mysteries of life, the legacy of these pioneering scientists remains a testament to the endless potential of the human mind.